everyone! Welcome to another episode of Ram Adventures! So, for today, it's a very special day because it's our first beach trip since the pandemic, and it's also Gucci's first ever beach trip. So, sobrang biglaan lahat. Pero andito na kami. We're very thankful kasi we get to experience this kind of things within the new normal. So, I will be showing you some of the clips ng beach trip na ito. And hopefully, you get to enjoy na parang andito na rin kayo sa beach with us. So, if you want to know more about our beach trip, then please keep on watching. So, yun lang. Let's enjoy! Hi, mag-say hi naman kayo po sa mga nanonood. Ito po si Kuya, si Tita, and si Tito. So, andito sila sa, ewan ko kung anong tawag dito, gazebo. Sila ay nagkwentuhan while eating merienda. So, puntahan naman natin ang aming cabana. Bye! So, this is our cabana. It's a medium-sized cabana. We have our own kitchen, we have our dining, and syempre the rooms. So, here are the guard dogs. And, let's go! Mapa-music kami, oh. Ma'am! Say hi! Hi, Gucci Bear! Ano, naririnig ka kanina? It's Gucci's first beach trip! At siya ay nakakulong sa aming cabana. Kasi pasaway siya. So, ito ang aming dining. Makalat pa kasi marami kaming pagkain. Ito ang workstation ni Bossing. Yan, working from the beach. Tingnan natin anong ginagawa ni Bossing.
Email lang.
Email lang daw. Pwede ka bang mag-hi?
Hi.
So, ano pong ginagawa mo?
Nagpa-download ng Laika.
Oo. Promote Laika.
Download nyo, ang gandang app.
Alright. Mamaya alamin natin kung ano yung Laika. So, for now, ito lang muna ang kaguluhan. Yan. So when you go out of the room, straight to the kitchen and our dining. Hi again! Gucci Bear is there. Sa baba ng kanyang daddy. Ayan. Yun lang. Then ito yung pataas. Hindi ko napapakita kasi masikip, no? Baka mauntog ako. So, yan lang. Ayan lang.